Good night. This is my website. Name English IPA pronunciation. Title, a string title. Name my favorite sports sites. I write an interview to James Rodriguez named James, a soccer star return. This interview was writing in English and IPA translation. I'm going to show the IPA translation after I'm going to read it. Okay. Interview with James Rodriguez. Hi James, how are you? Very good. James, Colombia wants to know how you feel when you leave the Real Madrid club, the team of your dream. It was sad for me, but now I have a new family, the Everton club. Would you go to the Madrid again? Yes, I would be great. I would do it if I have the opportunity. Wow, I'm very surprised. With all the controversy that was your participation in the sport club. Those of us who admire you think that you have a low self-esteem. Your soccer career deteriorated while you were at the Real Madrid club. I don't think so, because it was always my dream. There are opportunities everywhere, but dreams are only fulfilled once in a lifetime. And if the life gives me the opportunity, I would do it again. Thanks, Jen, for being with us. Here, in your favorite sport program, Dubán Zapata the Bull will be with us, and he will talk with us about his successful career in Italy. Thank you. This was my presentation. Thank you.